What happened?
I'm sure that you remember the rules. You remember the rules, right? Don't annotate except I tell you to, right?
No, I'm not
The question.
Yes, we're having class right now.
Hello?
I said read the question.
Simplify this 169 minus 3 squared. Hello?
It is always 169, not.
Huh?
Is the square root not only over 169?
No.
And that's why there is more sugar. There's some question that I need to ask.
So that square root has to be only over 169. If not, it's not realistic. Square root of 169 is. I said that it's not realistic.
That's what they said.
Telling you that it's not realistic. They're insisting that's what they said. This is what is there. Square root of 169 is 13. Mean square. Can you stop annotating? Mean square is 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. Please write it.
But that's not what they wrote. Done. Circle your drawings.
Have you seen the up?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Play my drawing. Let's play my drawing. I just say you should draw any line. Go on to the next one.
Write the answer in both Arabic and Roman numeral. GCVIICIX.
Now you know Roman numerals. I should be the person doing Roman numerals for you.
Okay.
Hello? We'll go. I said do it now. It's okay. Are you done?
No. I found the answer.
Good. Go on to the next one.
Number 10.
Next one.
Number 47. The father is 34 years older than him. Their total age is 2 years ago is 40 years.
Calm down. Calm down. Is there something in your mouth?
No. No.
How is it that you're not audible? Can you slow down whenever you're reading?
Okay. The father is 34 years old, dad and his son. Their total ages are
Father, 34 years older than his. Okay.
their total age is 2 years ago is 40. How is the son?
Okay. This one is a problem. Please, I want you to pay attention. Don't annotate anything. Just watch me. Let me see if I got you. And if I did not get you, just try and correct me as to the place I missed it. Let the father's age be F, and yeah, let's just say okay, they're asking us for the son's age, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So what we're going to do to save us time, we're going to say let the son's age be, let's use T. I don't want to use S because S usually looks like 5 when you're writing it, and you have to be very, very careful. So let's use T for the son. And they said that the father's Ugo, can you stop this nonsense? I'm already recording it. Why do you want to start recording it to your computer again?
Okay.
Let the son's age be T. And they said that the father is 34 years older than the son. So if this is the son, T is the son's age. Remember, it's for the son. Then father's age is going to be T plus 34. Am I right? Now remember that this is how many years ago? This is how many
6.
years ago? Eh?
6. Wait,
Is
two,
it
two,
6 or
two.
2? You said that their ages, the sum of their ages is what?
That's what you say.
What is the sum of their ages?
40.
No.
I mean, the son is
Okay,
8
the
years
sum of
old.
their
8 years old.
40. So that is T, hold on. T plus what? T plus 34
So
plus what?
plus 2.
Plus T again. Equal to what? 40. I'm not done. Where are you getting 2 from? I've not finished. It's equal to 40. So let's find what T is. So if you collect like terms, 2T plus 34 is equal to 40. Can you finish? Okay, no, don't worry. Let me finish it. So that means that 40 minus 34. 34 will go over to this side to become what? 40 minus 34, which is what? 6. So that means that 2T is equal to what? 6. And therefore, T will be equal to what? 6 over 2, which is 3. Then you can now add 2 to T to give you what their ages would be now. What the son's age will be now. Do you understand?
I don't understand.
Eh?
So what's the answer?
The answer is 5 now.
There is no 5.
Because the son's age, 2 years ago. I don't know what the questions.
There is no 5. The father is 34 years older.
How many years ago?
Let me read the question again. The father is 34 years older than his son. The total ages 2 years ago is 40 years. How old is the son? Eight.
Now, look at what I did now. Look, try to see what I did.
5.
They said this was the sum of their ages. How many years ago? Huh?
No. That 2 years ago.
How 2 years
34.
ago now. So I've
The father
solved the age.
was
Okay. 2 years ago. Hold on. This 30 was the sum of their ages 2 years ago, right? Huh?
What you say?
Sum of their ages. Sum was the sum of their ages 2 years ago, right?
I can't hear. The son is the sum of the. They will keep quiet.
Google.
Yes.
Google.
Yes.
Can you look at the working? Look at the working that I did. Is it correct or not? Just follow it. This is a logical thing. You don't know that you can be correct and the answer is not there.
What you? Come here.
Huh? You don't know that you can be correct and the answer is not there. I'm surprised that you're the one that is insisting that the answer is not there. It's right down and move.
But there's no 5.
So what do you want me to do? Just write down the working and move.
Shut up, my finger, you will wait now. Ah. Is it technology? How did you put your total yet? No technology. This won't be the most. No, not that. Yeah. It's going to have class.
Ugo,
Yes.
have you finished writing it down?
No.
No, get this thing done quickly.
What you say?
Get done with writing it quickly now. Let's move over. Let's move over to something else.
Yeah.
But you saw my baby. Hey, what you what the problem? No, you don't like I
So you can't tell me that you're still writing this thing till now.
I am.
I'll change it to speaker.
Oh, why is it taking you so long now? How many lines? 1, 2,
My,
3, 5, 6. Then the last one you just add 2 to it.
my pen is no more working.
Ah. Oh, anytime you're coming to class, why don't you come with an extra one now?
But you need to see us.
We have an extra.
No, so like so you don't have money today.
Have another one.
Yes.
Like you should see. It's not. Yeah, yes.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Level at the end. Yes, I'm done. The sum of ages of 8 children in 82 years. What will be their ages in 6 years' time?
Go, you're wasting my time. Talk.
I said the sum of ages of 8 children in 82 years. What will be their ages in 6 years' time?
6 years time. The
6 years.
I heard you, I heard you. The sum of ages of how many children?
8
Okay. Uh-huh.
is
Sum
82 years.
82 years. Okay. Okay. So 8 children.
What will be
When
their
you add up,
ages in 6 time?
hold, let me got it. The sum of children is 82. Okay. Then you
Eh?
say what will be the sum of their ages in how many
6 years' time.
years time? Now remember that there are 8 children. So that means 8 of them, their ages will increase by 6, isn't it?
So that means 82 times 6.
No. I'm asking you a question. Their ages will each increase by what?
6.
By what? By 6. So if their ages will increase by 6, now remember, there are 8 children. each of them, their ages will increase by 6. So that now means that we are going to have what? We are going to have what?
8 times 6.
Have what?
8 times.
Now hold on, let me explain. We are going to have 8 times 6. Why? Because each person's own increases by what? 6. So that means 6 in 8 places. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Now, so that means that will give us 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is what?
2 times 6 is 8 times 6.
8 times 6 is what?
48.
8 times 6 is what? Now add 48 to 82 because that is 6 years for each of them. So their new sum, the new sum of their ages is.
Mr. Cho, what you say? Mr. Cho, what
They're
you
making me
say?
scream here. They're making me shout here. Can you leave that noisy place and go to somewhere that is quiet?
Get out! Shut up!
Oh, Mr. Cho, I'm back.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
I said add that 48 to 82. The reason being that each of them, their age is increased by what? 6 years. So when you multiply that 6 by 8, you have to add the 48 to 82. Does it make sense now?
So I should add the 42 to 82 6 times.
Eh? 8 to 82. Add 8
Eh?
to 82. Add 48 to 82.
48 to 82. Okay.
Yes. 8 times 6
Hey.
equals. You are actually trying to open a calculator. Is that how you trying to open calculator now?
What you say?
Just be doing your work.
What you say?
I didn't say anything. Just continue your work.
Okay.
It's incredibly hard at the beginning. Most of the time, you can even buy larger fish right after birth, but as long as you're lucky enough to get to the ancient ocean and see a decayed body, don't leave. This is your special adventure.
Are you done?
No.
Like mountains, you will take the power of these evil fish. You'll become a powerful monster and dominate the waters. Come and give it a go in Fishing Earth.
You know I'm talking to you. Gee.
Are you done?
That's why I want 30. D.
Okay, good. Ayana. On to the next. You can clear the screen
Number
quickly.
49.
Clear
We
the
stop
screen.
at number
Clear,
the
you're not the
end
one that
of
will tell me
this.
where we stop. Clear the screen.
Then why are you laughing? Then why are you laughing? David,
Shout it, okay?
keep quiet though.
So
Keep
clear
quiet
the
though.
screen.
I cleared it. Keep quiet though.
I'm
Hello?
still seeing what I wrote.
I cleared it.
So I'm talking rubbish, Abby.
I cleared it. See?
I read the next question.
Okay. 49 a whole 60 meters by 6 meters is covered with a carpet leaving a margin of 1 meter along the length and 2 meters along the width and the area of the uncovered area.
Start reading it again. Slow down. A
From
what?
16 meters by 6. A whole 16 meters by 6 meters is covered. A whole 16 meters by 6 meters is covered with a carpet leaving a margin of 1 meter along the length and 2 meters along the width. Find the area of the uncovered area.
John, did you say 60 or 16?
16.
Oh, yeah, 16. I said don't worry, I'll fix it. Did you hear me say that?
Huh?
16 meters
Hello, what
by
are you
6
saying?
16 meters by 6 meters, right?
Uh-huh.
Margin means that the margin,
1 meter along the
margin,
length and along the width.
how many meters along the width?
1 meter along the length.
And how many
2
meters?
meters along the width.
2 meters along, okay? So that means the width only is bigger than the length. So let's make our drawing actually look bigger along the width. 2 meters along. Understand what I've drawn?
What you say?
What I have drawn?
Uh-huh.
So what's the question that they're asking us?
What is the area of the uncovered area?
You know what they're asking? They're asking us for that place that they're calling a margin. That's the uncovered area. Do you understand?
Eh?
Do you understand?
Huh?
Do you understand?
What you say?
The place that is uncovered. That's what they're asking us for. Do you understand now?
Uh-huh, but what do you uncover?
You want to cover it. The question tells you that you solve it. The
Huh?
question told you that there's a carpet 16 meters by 6 meters. Then there's a margin around it that is not covered. Am I the one that will start telling you why they chose not to cover it or not? The question,
I said which
whatever
one?
the question, Now, so what is now? Okay, so let me remove. Let me see if we can remove that shading. No, there's no need to even remove the shading. I think we can solve it. Now, Togo, I want you to answer me and answer me intelligently. From the length, remember the length is what? 60 meters. Can you stop moving your mouse around? The length is what? 16 meters. If from here to this place is 16 meters, what will from here?
From where? Excuse me, Chantal, I'm coming.
There you go.
Hello?
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Are you using your earpiece or not?
I don't have airplane.
Hi.
Not charged.
Spoiled it, isn't it?
Eh?
I spoiled it.
No,
So where is it?
not charged.
It's not charged. And you have a class, and you know that you will need it for your class. It's not charged. But when you want to use it and play a game, it will be charged.
No.
It doesn't make sense. You know?
Just so that your environment is not noisy. If you keep on stressing me, I'm going to end this class. Now, from here, from this length is 16 meters. Now look at the places I'm marking. Here, from this place to this place will be what? What will this place be?
3 meters.
How will it be? What did you just say? What did you just say? What did you just say?
16 meters.
No, listen to me again. Listen to me. The length, this inside place, like this. Look at where I'm drawing the line. Can you see where I'm drawing a line? That is 16 meters. The outside cannot be 16 meters now. It's the outside I'm asking for. What will the outside be? Wait, we'll go read the question again. Let me see if there's something that I missed. Read the question again, please.
A whole 16 meters by 6 meters is covered with a carpet, leaving a margin of 1 meter along the length and 2 meters along the width. Find the area of the uncovered area.
So that, oh, wow. You see why I always say you to read the question again. That's how you don't want to make me to confuse get the data confused. I was thinking that is the inside part that is 16. And you didn't say anything all this while. Keeping quiet. You didn't say anything. So it's the outside that is 6. What is that now? What is the meaning of that? So it's the outside that is 16 meters and it's here that is 6 meters. So if outside is 16 meters and the inside is and this side is 6 meters, then what will this place be? This place that I drew this line, what will it be? Does that line, that inside length, what will it be? The length of the carpet.
6 meters. 6 meters.
What will it be?
Uh,
Huh?
4.
No, it can't be 4 now. See, please just watch me. Remember, they told us that along the width, the margin is what? 2 meters, isn't it? If there is 2 meters here, do you know that it means that there will also be 2 meters here?
Where?
Right now. And there will also be 2 meters here because it's also the width now. Is it not also the width side?
Uh,
Do you understand? Do you know why it is the same thing? Because this line is parallel to this line. Does it make
Where?
sense? Let me change the color of the pen. This line is parallel to this line. Can you see the line I just drew now? The 2 lines I just drew. So also this line is parallel to this line. So that means that they're the same thing. 2 meters 2. Does it make sense now? Thank God it's making. So if you have 2 here and you have 2 here, that means you already have 4, isn't it? So that means this inside place will be 16 minus 4. Do you agree with that?
And that's 12.
That's what?
12.
12. Okay, yes, that's 12. So I'll just put my 1 and 2 there. 12 meters. Now let us do the same thing for the width. Now remember that the width from here to here is what? 6 meters, right? Now remember, they said along the length side, okay, you have 1 meter margin. So that 1 meter margin is parallel to its own 1 meter here. So that means I have 1 meter here, 1 here, and I have another 1 meter here that is parallel to the 1 that is here. Do you agree with that? So that means that I have 1 plus 1, which is 2. So 6 minus 2 will give me
2, which is 4.
which is okay. Ugo, when you are drawing this diagram in your book, please don't rush it though. You see, as I'm careful and I'm drawing it, please draw it exactly like this. If not, you will not understand. I assure you. You come back to this question, even if it's 2 days later, you won't understand it if you don't get this diagram. This is an example in math where the diagram is everything. Yes, you may say nobody is going to see your work. Trust me. You can leave the shading. The shading was just you can leave the shading. The shading was just to understand that part. There's no carpet covering it. You understand what I said the shading to help you to understand that the carpet is not covering that part of the floor. Do you understand now? So I want you to imagine this is us looking at the room. I think we're looking at the room from the ceiling. We remove the ceiling and we're looking at the carpet covering the floor and we're seeing all these things that the question said. Does it make sense now? You understand what I'm saying, Ugo? Now you might be wondering, why are we doing all this? This is the reason why we're doing it. So that we can know the dimensions of the carpet. What we just did now was to find out the real dimensions of the carpet. I hope you noticed that the question didn't tell us that. Did you notice that? Good. So now that you know the dimensions of the carpet, this carpet looks like a small rectangle inside a bigger rectangle, doesn't it? Now, this is the real reason why I even shaded that space, but I'm asking you, don't bother shading it if it will confuse you. That shaded space the area of that shaded space is also the area of the uncovered margin, which is what the question is asking us for. For us to find that area, we have to say the area of the outer rectangle minus the area of the inner rectangle. In other words, it is going to be 16 times 6
6,
minus
12
12 is 4.
times 4.
Yes, correct. So that 16 times 6, I think that's 96. And then 12 times 4 is what? 12 times 4 is what?
8.
So you are still slow with your times table. Oh. I told you this thing before. You think I'm joking at this? No problem. So this is going to be 96 minus 48. And 96 minus 48, 16 minus 8 is 8. And we're left with 8 minus 4, which is 4. So the answer is 48 meters. So just write it in your draw the
Sorry. Number 50. For
number
math,
50.
is normally number 50. A transport company sells its shares at 50K each in multiples of
Ugo, have
100.
you drawn what I just drew now? Have you written this thing down in your with the drawing? You have to be behind yourself. Number 50. What's next? Read this carefully.
Number 50.
Read it. So
Coming. Number 50. A travel company sells its shares at 50K each in multiples of 100. How many shares can be bought with 1,500 naira?
now read it carefully. A company shares what? A company sells its shares for how much?
50K.
It's not 50,000. I hope you understand. It's Kobo. This is where I usually fault people who say, give 50K. It's 50,000. It's not 50,000. It means 50 Kobo. And that's, they said, continue reading the question. 50 Kobo for every word.
Each in multiples of 100.
Each in multiples of 100. So that means that for 100 shares, for 100 shares, are you with me? That's what the question is saying, in that other English that is blowing there. For 100 shares, it goes for 50 kobo. What next did they now say?
How many shares can be bought with 1,500?
How many shares can be bought with 1,500 naira? Isn't it? Is it 1,500?
Yes.
Okay, good.
1,500.
1,500 naira. You know the person we're going to do? We have to change this 1,500 naira to kobo. Do you understand? And what do we do to change naira to kobo? Tell me quickly. What do we do to change naira to kobo? Well, I don't expect you to be thinking about this. You have blotted out the answer, giving me the answer since. What do you do to change naira to kobo? I use what? Right.
4,500 times.
500. Because 100 kobo makes multiplied by 100. And anything that you multiply by 100 is as good as just adding 2 zeros to it. So that means it's going to be 150000 again. Now, and this is in what? Kobo. I'm going to write it out so that you will not think that I said Amy. Now, remember, the question said 50 kobo for multiples of 100 shares, isn't it?
What do you say?
Question said 50 kobo for every multiple of 100 shares, right?
Yes.
Uh,
Okay.
that means that if I want to find out how many shares I can buy with this, I will divide it by what? Can you guess? I'll divide it by what?
50. 100. 50.
I'll divide it by 50, not 100. It's 50. You divide it by 100. You say by 50, not by 100. 100 is the number of shares for 50 kobo. So for me to know how many shares I can buy with 1,500 in kobo, I have to divide that equivalent in kobo by how many shares that by the amount that can buy me 100 shares. So let's divide. 0 cancels 0. 5 goes into it how many times?
1.
5 and 15.
3.
Then you do the 0 thing, you do the 0 thing, and then you do the 0 thing. So how many shares are there with them altogether?
3,000.
3,000 shares. Please don't write it the way I'm writing the unit because I don't want you to confuse anything. And so I'll not be asking me, is it 3,000 kobo? No, it's 3,000 shares. Are you done writing?
No. Yeah, I'm done.
Okay.
Now the next one is quantitative aptitude test. But I didn't do this
That
one.
one by yourself. You can do that one by yourself. Let's go to the next year.
Now we have to skip the 2008. Express XLIX in the Arabic numerical.
That's for the next year.
Yes.
Okay, what year is that? 2000 and what?
I'm coming.
2000 and what?
2008.
That's the next
Oh, no,
year.
2000. 2008. No,
2008. So what have we been doing all this while?
2007.
Uh, okay, 2008. Fine. Okay. So what's the first question?
Number one.
Go, what's the question, number one? Mm-hmm. We go talk.
Shall I act in Arabic numerical?
Can do it, right?
Uh-huh.
Roman numeral, Arabic, quickly. Okay, I'm waiting for you. This should not take you time like that. Hmm?
I'm coming.
I'm still saying that. I said it shouldn't take you time like that.
What is it?
I already connected them.
Hello?
Are you done?
No.
Please, we are notating on the screen. I don't know what you are doing. Why is it taking you so long to answer this simple question?
Oh man.
So I said you should annotate on the screen. Show me what you are doing.
Hmm? Um,
Excel can never be equal to 60. And you know that. So you don't even know Roman numerals. I look at me almost assuming that you know it. My goodness. Telling me that Excel is 60 is like saying that 4 is 7 or 4 is 6. That's what you're just telling me. See? Imagine if I had just let you go off the roof like that. Correct yourself. When you have a bigger number on the right hand side and a small number on the left, it's subtraction, it's not addition. You understand? Ugo, do you understand?
uh,
So correct yourself quickly. X is 10. Now we already know that one. Just go to the next one. XL should be 40. What's the next number? IX is what? 9. What's the next number?
Five.
40 times 9. Is that the question? Is it times or plus? Oh, yeah, write it down in your book. Write it down in your book quickly.
Mr. Charles,
What?
it has been 1 hour.
What did I tell you the first time we joined? Then I told you that it will be 2 hours.
Um,
Oh, yeah, keep going. We'll stop at number 5 quickly. Next number.
just number 2.
Go to
Write
number
a
2.
figure 25,005.
That one. Next.
2005.
Yes. Next.
What is the place value of 2 in 204.14? 100. Duh,
Okay.
duh, 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 duh.
Next.
Find the LCM of 12, 18, and 24.
How the what?
LCM of 12, 18, and 24.
Okay. 12 and 24. Oh, yeah, quickly solve it. 12,
Okay.
18, and
I'm solving it.
24, right? Solve it in your Go ahead, solve it in your book. I'm not, I didn't say you should annotate. Solve it in your book. What did you get as your answer?
Not done.
Because your method long. Oh, why is your method long? See, I told you that speed this exam.
Where should I put next?
Huh? Ugo,
Yes.
I told you that speed is important in this exam. You can't afford to be using slow methods to solve. Why is it take just get SPM?
62.
Huh? What did you say?
72.
Also, just quiet.
My own alongside your own method and compare quickly.
Hmm?
And what I did there, I started with a big number. Eh?
I'm not shut up.
Mm. So you can put it beside your own as an alternative method of
72.
solving it. Adopt my own. I
Answer.
don't know why you'll be using a long method to solve your solving questions at this stage. When you're done writing it, let me know.
I am done.
Okay. All right. Okay.
So I
On
should
to the
also
next
write
question.
your own method.
Before, what did you do? You think I'm wasting time writing it?
I don't.
What's my own method too now? My own not faster than your own. Are you done? Hmm?
Yes.
On to the next one. Yes.
Arrange the following factors in descending order.
Descending order. Okay, let's have them.
7/12.
7/12. Please be looking at the screen and when you mention it, let me know if it's correct. 7/12. Yes. 2/what?
2/3.
2/3. Next.
Only wrote 12. 3/4.
What?
You only
3 over.
wrote 12.
I only wrote Abi, you erase what I wrote. I annotate anything. 3/4. What next?
5/8.
5/8. That all.
Uh-huh.
So method is a very simple method. What's the first thing you do? What's the first thing you do? Quickly, quickly, quickly.
Divide.
Divide. Divide what? What are you dividing? Find the LCM of these numbers. Find the LCM of these numbers. I'm looking at it. LCM is what? Quickly, quickly, quickly. I don't expect you to be guessing. Don't need to start calculating now. You can see a number that all of them will go into. What is that number?
6.
Eh? A number that all of them took care. Because I wrote 2. I was waiting for you to say it. I knew that that's what you would do. You're waiting for me to give you the answer. It's 24. All of them will go into 24. So when you use 24 as the denominator, it will make it easy for you. All you now need to do is to just put 24 here. And then just be saying, for instance, now this one, you start with 12. 12 into 24 is what? 12 into 24 is what?
2.
2 times 7 is what?
14.
14. Please, Ugo, be fast, be fast, be fast. You are a smart boy, you. Don't be doing as if you are slow. I need it to be fast. 3 in 24 is what?
Huh?
3
3
4 is what? Yes, 3 times what is 24?
8. 8.
8 times 2 is what?
Huh? 8.
8 times 2
16.
is 16. 4 in 24 is what?
Huh?
Are you saying, you know what I'm going to ask you next? You should have given me the answer by now. 4 in 24 is what?
5. Wait, 6.
Times 3 is what?
18.
8 in 24 is
Huh?
8 in 24.
3.
6 times 5 is what?
Huh? 3 times 5. 15.
Now, this is what will help us to know how to arrange them. These numbers that we just got now. So let's use them. So they said descending order. Descending order is from what to what? Smallest to largest or largest to smallest?
Smallest to larger. Largest to smallest.
If you are giving me the wrong answer now, I would have told your mother to spank you seriously.
Huh?
Yes, it's largest to smallest. You cannot afford to make mistake like that. That kind of simple
I
thing.
almost said smallest to largest.
Remember, descending is as if you are descending a staircase from the highest floor to the lowest floor. That's descent. So it's a very simple thing. Anytime you forget, just remember.
Jumping from the highest floor to the lowest floor.
Yes, so large to small. From small to large is ascending. That's alphabetical order, numerical order, and climbing, like climbing upstairs, ascending. So let's go. So which one from largest to smallest? Which one are we going to write first? Oh yeah, quickly.
18.
Which one is the 18 that you would say, or the fraction? Is the fraction I'm expecting you to be telling
2
me?
over 4, 2 over 4, 2 over 4.
4, followed by what?
Followed by 2 over 3.
Followed by what? Followed by what next?
5 over 8.
5 over 8, and then finally
7 over 12.
Okay, so we'll end here for today. But of course, you know that you must have heard me say this before. The first 10 questions in every exam are usually simple questions. So go ahead, explore them. In our next class, we'll start from this number 5, or rather number 6, and then see the ones that you were able to solve and see if you got them right. And then we'll continue from there. Is that okay?
Uh-huh.
Have you written this down in your book?
Uh-huh.
And exactly as I wrote it.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I trust you. So enjoy the rest of your day.
You too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.